cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, BTC set to plunge 50%. Is the crash coming? Let me explain. Many experts believe Bitcoin could lose half its value soon. We'll look into the key reasons, okay? Like big investors selling, market trends, and global economic problems that could cause Bitcoin to crash. Bitcoin is struggling and many signs suggests a big price drop is coming. Could regulations, or it could be interest rates or panic selling, will cause Bitcoin to crash. Some of the top crypto experts are warning that Bitcoin might fall by 50% or up to 50% or more. Why do they think this will happen? If Bitcoin crashes, will you be prepared? We'll explain what causing this fear, right? From major investors pulling out, learn what you can do to protect your money before it's too late. Bitcoin price is going up and down, and some experts says it could drop by half. The crypto market is unpredictable, very unpredictable, and Bitcoin might be in danger. Bitcoin is in a dangerous position and many investors are worried. Bitcoin cryptocurrency has gone up fast, but it could crash just as quickly. We'll look at Bitcoin's past crashes, what history tells us, and whether this could be another big drop in the making, or a big shakeup might be coming for Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, altcoins, meme coins, everything. We'll explain you what's happening, what's causing this fear, and how you can be ready for a big price drop. Some analysts think Bitcoin is in a bubble, growing too fast and about to pop. We'll talk about why they believe this, what it means for Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, altcoins, futures, and whether this could be a big crash or just another dip. So this is a disclaimer. This is for information and learning purpose only and not an investment advice. Follow, like, share and subscribe.